You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a course and sell it on Gumroad. The first thing I want you to know with Gumroad, it is completely free to make and list your course. The only thing that you will pay is once you make a sale, they will take a 10% flat rate. So they don't get paid until you get paid. Now to get started, you're going to go onto gumroad.com. Then from there, you will see the option to sign up in the top right hand corner. You can sign up real quick. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, you can tap on create your first product. After tapping on create your first product, what you want to do is tap where you see name. Then from there, you can name your course. So for example, let's say I want to name this course YouTube for Beginners. I can type that in right here. Then you're going to tap on course or tutorial. After you have done that, you're going to set your price. So for example, I'm going to be selling this for $1. Then you will tap on next in the top right hand corner. After tapping on next, you're going to scroll down, and from here you could add a quick description. You can also see the URL that they provide us with, as they provide us with a free URL. If it is a case that you would like to buy and add a URL, you can do that by tapping on custom domain. You can also scroll down and you can add your course cover image. So for example, we're going to tap on upload image, then tap on computer files, and I'm just going to be selecting a random image for example's sake. Let's say this one, and I'll tap on open. So this is going to be the course cover image, so you can see how it looks right there. Now all you'll need to do is scroll back up and you're going to tap on content. After tapping on content, this is where you'll be able to add your content. So for example, you can tap here, and from here you could start typing out your content. Another thing that you can also do, if it is a case that you would like to add images, if you would like to add an image, all you'll need to do is tap on the image icon. Then from there, you could upload an image. So let's say, for example, that image right there. And also, if it is a case that you would like to upload a video, you can do that. So for example, let's say an image on one page and I'd like to add another page. To add another page, you'll tap on the icon right here that says create page. Also, if you would like to create more pages, all you have to do is tap right here where you see create page, and you can create another page. Then you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can type in the page name. Keep in mind that if you would like to upload videos or so on, you can also do that. All you'll need to do is tap on the icon that says insert file. Then from there, you can either choose to embed YouTube videos by tapping on embed video. You could paste in the video URL right there, or you could tap on computer files, and then from there, you can search for a particular video that you would like to add. And you can continue adding more pages going on. And once you're finished doing that, all you will need to do now, you're going to tap on publish and continue. After tapping on publish and continue, from here you will be able to copy your URL and you can share it on social media. But before doing that, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to tap on payouts. After tapping on payouts, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on settings in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on settings, from here, you're going to simply set up your payment method. So for example, you can select all of these options. I have a valid government passport or ID, and you can simply select all of these options. And then from there, you will be able to connect your PayPal or Stripe account. So you'll be able to receive payments. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.